There you go, you can record now. Just hold it, it's already recording. There we go.
She seems to be crabbing a bit.
Yeah, I'm turning that way, that's why. Guys, we're under tow.
Yeah.
Swing that way. Thank you, lads. Give it a bit more beats. You get more control, the more power you've got, definitely. Right, we're finally underway. I'm on Skye and Sea Bird. We've got Captain Andy controlling Skye, and I'm being towed side by side at the moment. We've got Al, the cabin boy, watching out for me. And here we go, we're off. I'm on Sea Bird. I've had to drop anchor. I don't know if you can see it. Anchor's overboard while I'm waiting for Captain Andy over there. I'll get it right in a minute. All the way over there, he's setting up a bridle